What's up, everybody? If you're new to my channel, what's up? I'm Artist Boozy, and if you like arts and crafts and doing do-it-yourself stuff or anything like that, you should totally stick around. Check out some more on my channel. You might like it. If not, that's fine too. I don't mind. But today we are going to be doing a TikTok famous beanie. Have you seen the rainbow beanie that's real cute on TikTok? Well, today I'm going to attempt to make it. I'm not very good with knitting, and I'm not very good with crocheting. I'm not very hand coordinated with all that. It gets a mess. So we're doing a little cheat thing today and using this Centro knitting machine and this Red Heart Stripes yarn. So let's make this into something cool, shall we?
Voiceover music coming at you live. Yee! And if you know what that is from, you're a real one. I'm using the Retro Stripes string yarn. Whoops, it's not string, it is yarn. And I tied a knot, and I am slowly threading this around and making sure that the needles are grabbing it. And you go every other needle, so in and out, in and out, in and out. And then I put it into the medium hole because it's medium tension, tightness. I don't know, I'm kind of a noob. I'm trying my best. You go really slow about 4 times, unless you're me. I went slow every time because I messed up twice. And you want to make sure that your white pen needle grabs the yarn. We'll be going around 115 rows, and it's okay because your machine counts it for you, which is super duper nice. Because I know I would lose count for sure if I had to count myself. And if it starts to fold down and start touching the ground, you want to fold it up towards you. It helps it thread to the machine easier. And you just keep on going and going and going and going, and it takes forever, especially when you don't want to mess up and you take your sweet time. It's so satisfying though to watch it sped up because that just looks so satisfying and so pretty with the colors. I get to about 54 rows or 56 in the 50s, and you'll see soon that there is a hole where it dropped a stitch. Yep, I see it now. And I'm still going. Oh no. I just messed up right here. I didn't notice it till now. It dropped a stitch. Okay, well I fudged up and I got to 54 and there was like drop stitches and loops and crap in it. So I had to take everything out and redo it. So now I'm back at 54 and I am going to move to a different seat because my butt cheeks are sore. I'm watching every move carefully because I've already fudged this up. We're just going to ignore my bad hair here. Quite a bit before I was asleep. Went to bed at 4 a.m. Got up at 8 a.m. And I'm still going. No sleep, gang. Let's get it! This looks so awesome sped up, but it took me forever. And just ignore my mom sweeping in the background. That's just what she does with her OCD. And a lot of people will probably think it's weird that I'm 26 and live with my mom, but I didn't have a very good relationship with her for like 10 years because of her husband and stuff, so I spend every moment I can with her, and I love spending time with her because You're never guaranteed tomorrow, and I love my mama would do anything for her, so don't be judging me because I love my mama. And see how it's folded in the inside and how I folded it upwards instead of letting it drag? That's what I meant earlier. Man, I wish I could actually work this fast. That would have been awesome. Looks awesome sped up. Like a robot!
I need some back stretches. Did you see it on the camera? Gotta get that footwork in. I'm almost done. I'm at 92.
Had to get up, get a little bit of movement going because I had been sitting for hours doing this because a lot of it didn't get in here. All of the times I had to redo it didn't make it into this. So it was a lot of time just sitting there. My back was killing me, so I had to get moving, flowing.
Woo! 100! Now I got 15 more.
We're getting so close to being done. 15 more rows. Aren't those colors just so adorable and so pretty? I know there's probably an easier way to do that yarn, but I don't know. I didn't see a hack for it yet.
I left about a foot and cut it off of the actual yarn roll itself and threaded it through here. And now I'm going to take it out of here, I guess. I have my needle and grabbing all these hooks.
So we're going to go through and thread the yarn through all these little loops, and I think this is where I messed up and where my beanie got loose because my stitches are really loose and they weren't loose in the machine. So I think this is the part where I messed up. So next time I do this, I need to be extra careful and really go super duper slow because I don't know what happened, but my stitches got loose and I'm pretty sure this is the step that did it. Probably right there where it's all caught up. And I lost some footage, so I am going to put down in the description a better tutorial because I don't know where the end of my footage went. But it looks pretty like that, like a big tube. And it took me 2 minutes to tie this knot because I'm a big dummy.
Okay, well that piece was just not going to be realistic, so I got a longer piece because I got to sew this dumb crap. Okay, unroll it and go through each of the stitches.
It's not really dumb. I was just a little bit getting fed up because I was tired and been doing it for a long time, but this is the end. I'll link the video down below. Thanks.
Alright guys, are you ready to see the final result? Because I sure am. Here it is, the Centro Knitting Machine TikTok famous beanie. And this is my very first one. It was very aggravating. I had to sit there and watch every loop because I messed up twice where it skipped a, I don't even know what it's called. I am such a noob with this stuff, but it missed a loop and it like unraveled the whole thing twice. So I ended up going real slow and watching every loop, which I'll show you what I mean by that. So this thing, you turn it, and this right here goes all around, and you got to make sure you get every single one, which I don't know, I think I'm going the wrong way, but you got to get every single one of these and make sure that it grabs the yarn. And mine ended up skipping one because I got a little bit impatient and went a little too fast. And it really messed up. And this thing's really cool because it counts your rows and everything right here. It's got a counter. Really neat. Can't wait to do some more stuff with it. I even went and got some more yarn. So you might see a future video on that too. I don't know. But I'll do a little tester. Don't mind my messy hair today. Let's just be honest. I'm always having a bad hair day every day. But I think it's really cute and really cool for my first time. I don't mind the imperfections because it just shows that I struggled and it's my first one. It's not going to be perfect. Practice makes perfect, and I just got to keep practicing and it'll get better. And just don't get discouraged. Just keep trying. It's kind of crazy how this ball of yarn, just a big string, can come into something like this. It's just insane to me that you can take a piece of string and turn it into something like this. It's so neat. I hope you guys liked today's video, and if you did, please like and subscribe and come back for some more artsy-fartsy fun. Thank you so much for watching. I also should have said that I'm going to order some beanie pom-poms on Amazon, and the little strap I got to get on Etsy to make it the TikTok famous beanie. But I also thought about making my own pom-pom because I have those little pom-pom makers where you wrap yarn around it and then cut it. So I might do that, or I might order the colorful one on Amazon. I haven't decided yet, so that's why that's not in this video. But if I end up doing it, I'll put it in a future video or something at the end of one or something like that. So again, thank you so much for watching. It means so much to me. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.